friends, greetings from Test and Review. Today I have got something special for you. Whether you are a gamer, programmer, content creator, stock trader, or just someone who loves a clean and efficient workspace, this is going to be a game changer. Today we are looking at the ELIVED Dual Monitor Mount, a fully adjustable space-saving solution designed to make your workspace ergonomic, clutter-free, and more efficient. Now the question is this the best budget-friendly monitor mount you can get? Let's see what I have inside. First, I can see here user manual, how I have to assemble the things. This is a dual monitor arm made by high quality metal with a sleek black finish. You can see here, right? This VESA compatible mounting plate support into 75 to 75 millimeter and 100 to 100 millimeter patterns. There have a C-clamp and grommet base for versatile desk mount option. These are for the cable management. Keep the wire neat and tangle free. I think this user manual they explain really very good way. I'm gonna assemble all this together now and let's see how it works. But I believe it already, I can see the super quality and the color is awesome. So the first impression, this ELIVED Dual Monitor Mount looks solid and premium. The arms are made of heavy duty steel, ensuring they can hold up to 17.6 IBS per monitor without wobbling, Modern, sleek, black finish fit with any desk setup. Full motion adjustable, lets you tilt, swivel and rotate the screen according to your choice, vertically, even horizontally. So it will not be an issue. Let's install this one. It's pretty simple, you can see, right? They gave all these accessories you need for the installation, and the packet they mention like number A, B and C, and this one, even the user manual they also mention here with the number which parts will go together with the part. They also mention here the thickness of your table, if is it like 10 millimeter to 14 millimeter. Everything they explain here properly. So for the installation, is it easy or complicated? So let's go step by step. Choose your setup first. Is it C-clamp edge mounting or grommet through the desk mounting? Installation, it took 10 to 15 minutes. Super straightforward. Let's talk about ergonomics and adjustability. Is it better viewing experience? So here's where the ELIVED Dual Monitor Mount shines. It gives you complete control over your screen position. 360-degree rotation, use your monitor in portrait and landscape mode. 90-degree tilt and 180-degree swivel, find the most comfortable viewing angle. Gas spring height adjustment, easily move screen up or down. Improve posture, reduce neck and back strain from looking down. This is a huge upgrade for productivity and gaming, allowing you to customize your setup exactly how you like it. Let's talk about the cable management. It's clean and clutter-free. No one likes the messy cable, and thankfully this mount comes with built-in cable management clips to keep everything tight and organized. Clips run along the arms to secure power and display cables. No more dealing where's your desk stays sleek and professional. Let's talk about how does it feel to use. After using this ELIVED Dual Monitor Mount for a few days, here is what I noticed. Gaming setup is dual monitor is improvising the gaming and easy streaming. The productivity multitasking is smoother with two screens at eye level. Content creation perfect for editing with on screen for tools and on for preview. It remains rock solid, secure hold tight, and provides smooth adjustments without feeling loose or heavy. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons of this monitor mount. So first, a strong and durable build quality, easy to install and adjust, support up to 17.6 IBS per arm, full motion flexibility for ergonomic positioning, great cable management system. But the cons is not that much I found. It's like this gas spring may need occasionally adjustment, so I didn't find that much cons, to be honest. So I found this dual monitor mount is super helpful, very nice quality and well cable management. So if you want to buy, you can get the link below with some discounts. If you like this video, please hit the like button and do subscribe to the channel for getting more updates, and stay tuned for new updates, and do the comments below what new take you want to see to my next video. Have fun. Bye bye.